Hi everybody and welcome back to SiArtShopChannel. Okay, this is a little intro on some fake food tutorial that I've made for you all. And it's a very popular one, I would have thought. And because this particular biscuit, that's right, you heard it here first, a biscuit is very popular all around the world. And that particular biscuit that I'm going to teach you how to make today is one of these. Ready for it? Yes, that's right, guys. It's an Oreo biscuit. Now, doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Now, I'm really pleased with these, how they've come out, because they look just like the real thing. Now, I made a few, and I just wanted to show you them in this intro, and then just follow the one tutorial, and you'll learn how to make it. Simple as that. Okay, let me just show you them on a plate. There you go. So what you could do with these, you could put them on your coffee table and you could arrange them nicely, and people will think you're offering them a biscuit, but obviously you're not, because they're fake. Okay, now another thing you could do with these is this. Now, I've made a lot of fake food in the past before I started doing YouTube clips, and I will get on to making these particular ones I'm just about to show you on future tutorials. And I find if you've got this going on, I nearly lost one then, didn't I? Look at that. Fake biscuits, all different kinds. Yes. This is, like I said, ones I've made before I started doing YouTube clips, okay? So what you could do, I thought, is this. You could add Oreos to it, just like that. And what I do is I have this on my coffee table, and then when people come to visit me, they think I'm offering them biscuits and things and lovely treats, but of course I am, but they can't eat them, okay? They can only just look at them. And this one keeps falling over, so you can't see it in the proper way. Okay, so there you go. And yeah, let me put it down like that. That's probably better, isn't it? So look, you've got all these on your coffee table and they just look amazing. But like I say, in the future, I will make tutorials on all these, how to make them. But at the moment, I've only got this, okay? Which is lovely anyway, because it's one of my faves at the moment, okay? So yes, watch this next clip and I will show you exactly how to make it. Okay, so thanks for watching this particular intro. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next Oreo tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.